So last night I made yogurt with some starter and some milk. So let's see how that turned out. I always like to give it the wiggle test. Yep, that looks good. Let's strain it. So to strain it, I just have this, this is a half of a pillowcase. I like it better than a cheesecloth. I find it just does a better job. And then we're just gonna let it sit for, I don't know, 20 minutes maybe. Long enough to get my morning movement in. And then it's done. Okay, so we have enough, we drained enough away, so I'm gonna just get the rest of this delicious yogurt into a bowl. Check the consistency and maybe add a little bit of whey back, depending on what it needs. Because you gotta remember, it does thicken up when it gets cold. It's still at room temperature here. All right then. So, I'm just gonna grab a whisk. Or not. Oh, here's one. Oh, that's beautiful yogurt. Yeah, I might just put just a little bit in, anticipating that's gonna get thicker in the fridge. There you go. Just like that, we have yogurt. And we have some dog food, because I don't waste. Not bad. Today it's a turmeric latte. Stuck in traffic again, just waiting to get across that bridge. I've got a ton of pickups to do for work, and then try to catch up with everything I need to do before I have to pick Layla up, because she's doing extra shifts at the barn trying to earn as much money as she can for this horse. So I'll talk to you later. Today is the first harvest of kale. So we're gonna have a baby kale and carrot ginger dressing salad. I think it'll be good. My husband says the only way to cook with kale is by using a lot of coconut oil so that it slides into the garbage more easily. I don't think he's very funny. Aw, dang. I had a little accident with the salad dressing. us old people can see them. I'm just at the horse barn. Leela had a shift of work, so I thought I'd come and see if there's any babies, and there are. That's relaxed. Lying down and eating at the same time. This baby's got it figured out. That baby actually had something wrong with its hoof, but it did seem pretty content to just lie there and eat. I remember when you were just tiny. Now you're a great big biting stallion, hey? This is Scott. He's a pretty big guy. Oh, hello. Well, it's the end of the day, and I'm just gonna put one of these around my little tomato because it fell over. It needs a little extra support. And that's it for the day. I'm just gonna spend the evening knitting and loving it. So thanks for hanging out with me on day 6, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.